In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live captions on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I spot Live Captions. When I see it, I tap on Live Captions, and that takes me into the section where the feature can be managed. Alright, now that I'm here on the Live Captions screen, I go ahead and tap the toggle labeled Live Captions to turn it on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed enabled and everything looks right. After that, I back out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Live Captions, and toggle it on or off again. If I leave it enabled, I'll usually spend a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's simple to return here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to use live captions on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and change whenever you need.